In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image with Grok 3. First, open your Grok account. Launch your preferred browser, go to the Grok site, and sign in so you're on Grok 3. A quick tip before you start. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date, because image generation can be a bit resource intensive. Once you're in, you should see the main workspace. Keep in mind that anything you type can guide the model strongly, so write clearly and avoid including any private or sensitive information in your prompts. Next, click Imagine. This is the dedicated area where Grok 3 turns text into images. The Imagine page focuses on one simple action, giving the model a clear description of what you want to see. You'll find a prompt box inviting you to describe your scene. Think of this box as your creative brief. Every word helps the model understand subject, setting, and mood. In the prompt field, enter your description of the image you want. For this demo, I'll type, "Create an image of an old house with children playing." This sentence tells Grok 3 the main subject, the environment, and the activity. If you ever want to refine results later, you can expand this sentence with details like time of day, style, or camera angle. But for now, we'll keep it simple so you can see the default behavior. Now press Enter. Grok 3 will start generating the image based on that description. You may see a short loading indicator while it processes the request. When the image appears, take a moment to evaluate it. Ask yourself whether the house looks appropriately aged, whether the children are clearly depicted as playing, and whether the overall composition matches your intention. If the result isn't quite right, the fastest fix is to adjust the wording in the same prompt box, perhaps clarifying details such as weather, lighting, or the mood you want, and press Enter again to regenerate. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, click Imagine, enter your prompt, and press Enter. With a few iterations, you'll quickly learn how specific phrasing nudges the model towards your vision. Pause the video, try the same prompt on your screen, and then personalize it with your own details to create exactly the image you have in mind. As you practice, aim for clear nouns and vivid adjectives, keep one idea per sentence, and iterate steadily. The more specific your language, the more faithfully Grok 3 can render your vision.